Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. Welcome to my video. And what you're looking at here is Lead Lightning, a marketing system that I started using about 2 years ago. And from that point on, I have not ever been dissatisfied with the services that it provides. And this marketing system consists of an autoresponder. First of all, a capture page, and you get this for $7, one-time fee. And once you buy into Lead Lightning, it will give you the option to upgrade to the Power Lead system, which is the same marketing system, but you are advanced in your marketing, which has more capabilities of promoting whatever business opportunity or products you may have. With the advanced part of Power Lead system, you have more than just one capture page for the, like the one you got for the $7. You have different templates, and most of these templates you can copy and revise them to say what you want them to say. You can even put a video like this one inside of the capture pages. I'm not going to go through all the details of showing you everything about the Power Lead system. What we want you to do is get started with the Lead Lightning part and see how awesome it is, just like I did when I first started. And after I started with the $7, I saw how amazing this system is. Then I immediately upgraded to the Power Lead system. But if you don't want to invest into the Power Lead system, you can just use Lead Lightning for just that $7 one-time fee. It serves the same purpose as far as promoting your business opportunity or your product. With the Lead Lightning, you're getting 2 different links to promote. And if you promote your links and you have a sign up, a person that wants to purchase the Lead Lightning from your link, you are making $6 out of that $7. Once you get started with Lead Lightning, you're going to click on How Do I Get Started? And then you're going to go down. It's only 3 simple steps. Watch this video first. And then first step is to join the Facebook group. You click there. It'll take you to the Facebook group. And the second thing you do is choose which links below to advertise. And the links are right here. Referral link A and referral link B. And the third step is advertise your links. And we show you different places to advertise. You have training within the system. And all you have to do is create an account with the training that the Power Lead system provides. I think you more or less have to be an upgraded member to create an account for the training. I'm not real sure, but because I've been with them a while, and I know that every time I get ready to learn more about the product and the services, I go to the training part, and the training is awesome. It's awesome. And everything that you need to know is inside the training. You learn more about you get daily tips to teach you how to promote your business opportunity. Let's see if I can log in here. This is the training area right here. Welcome to the Power Lead System training site. First time here, watch this video, and you have your daily tips like I was saying right here. Even the replays of the webinars that we have and the trainings that the Power Lead system gives each and every Thursday night. Even the Hangouts that they do on Wednesday night, you can get it all right here. And even with the daily tips. Let's see. Even with the daily tips, it shows you how to get started. It's a start here, and then the second one, day 0, that's the same day. attaching a lead capture page to your domain, and the first stage subdomains and how to create them. All this is taught to you in the back office: how to edit, create a lead capture page, how to copy or create an autoresponder campaign, how to swap any video on any page. I love that part where I can make these videos and then take a video out of the template that's already laid out for me and put my own video in there. I love it. And you know, once you come over here, you can click on any of these and it would bring up a video, not just words. It would bring up a video that would teach you step by step how to become successful in promoting your lead lightning system or your power lead system, and how to promote your business opportunity through this system. I just wanted to give you a few results of my progress in the power lead system with the lead lightning, starting first. And I'm going to go over here, and I save my emails. It's Priceless Possibilities. It's going to send you your results. Whenever someone join up, it will send you an email and let you know that someone has joined. Okay, PLS free leads. Okay, here we are right here. Today is August the 21st. Right here, I just received a gold member. I always put a gold star there. Wherever someone join up, I put a gold star on the side of it to indicate a person that joined. Right there, I have another. Just a second. And this is the results I'm having. A gold member came in today. Let me show you what today is. It's Monday, August the 21st, and I'm up and getting ready to go out to work, and it's 6:20 a.m. Central Standard Time. This is the 21st. Right here is 4:04 a.m. A gold member just came in. Anytime a gold member come in, that's $20 residual income. And right here is a lead lightning. Remember me telling you you'll make $6 on every person that come in, purchase lead lightning. They're gonna pay $7, and you're gonna make $6. Here's another one on July the 17th, a new gold member. And it goes on and on. When you see the parentheses and a number in the parentheses, that's how many leads that came in that day. Here's one day on May the 5th, a 76 lead. Here's another gold member. It goes way back to March. I'm constantly bringing people in. I'm constantly building my list with the system. As you can see, the number of leads that I get on certain days. 19 leads there. Another gold member there. Here's another lead lightning member there. Another gold member there. Another lead lightning there. And you can see it's working. I can go on and on to show you the results that I'm getting, but you can do the same thing. At the bottom of this video, there's a link. As I say always, a lot of people try to go against you promoting your link, but this is the way to do it. Make your videos, put a link at the bottom so people can know how to find you or how to join up with you. And this is about it. I'm Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas, and welcome to Lead Lightning. Just type one in just a minute. I'm gonna take you back over to Lead Lightning startup page. I bought this page for myself just for an example to show you guys the Lead Lightning startup page. And I didn't pay but $1 for it because I got back $6 after I purchased it for $7. This is your startup page, Lead Lightning. This is what your link is going to look like once you start promoting it, once you join. You remember me telling you about the two links? You can promote link A to promote Lead Lightning by itself, or you can promote link B to promote your primary business and Lead Lightning. What you do is put your primary business link or website right here and click update, and this is what your lead capture page would look like. This is for $7. You cannot beat it for $7. This is what your capture page would look like. Once a person put in their email address here, they will start receiving messages on your behalf from the system. All right, I'm Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. I will be your mentor and your sponsor. We will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.